Organizing the vehicle inventory items. This video goes along with Appendix 4 in your Getting Started guide. Organizing your vehicle inventory starts in QuickBooks. Then we'll go over to Sales Manager and take a look at how they are linked to the interface. Let's start by going up to Lists and select Item List. And let's find our North Foxborough location. The preloaded inventory items in this example classify your vehicle inventory by new and used, by body type, and by brand. We see here we have a Class A diesel, and we have a couple of brands, Dynasty and Zephyr. Class A gas, Adventurer, Marauder, and so forth. Notice in the second column under the reorder point, we have a value of 999 entered next to the brand names. The lowest inventory item in the hierarchy, in this example is the brand, must have the 999 entered in the reorder field of the inventory item. If we double click on this Dynasty, we can see here that we have the 999 entered. This is how we filter over in Sales Manager. In other words, this is how we get the correct stock number into the correct place over in QuickBooks. And if you needed to add to this list, you just need to make sure that your lowest inventory item in the hierarchy has the 999 entered in the reorder field. The hierarchy of this items list becomes the QB items used in Sales Manager on each inventory record. As the vehicles are entered into the Sales Manager inventory and sent to QuickBooks, the stock number will fill in on the items list under the appropriate path name. Okay, now let's go over to Sales Manager and see how all this comes together. Click on Vehicle Inventory, Inventory, and Find. Now in this example, we're going to click on this stock number right here. And this brings up the vehicle inventory record. Here's where you would have entered all your vehicle information. You see the stock number and the VIN number. It's new. And down here we see the QB items and QB class. And looking more closely, we can see the same hierarchy that we saw over in QuickBooks. See North Foxborough, New, Class A, Adventurer. And if I jump back into QuickBooks, right here we see the same thing, North Foxborough, New, and we're right here and under Adventurer. That's the path right there. Go back to Sales Manager. So what we're doing is we're telling QuickBooks to add this vehicle under Adventurer. And the QB class tells QuickBooks to assign this vehicle to the sales department. Now once you have all your information entered, you have your QB items picked and your QB class selected, go down and click on Update QuickBooks. QuickBooks update is complete. Click OK. And now we go back to QuickBooks. We can see that we've created an inventory item in QuickBooks for the stock number, using the stock number as its name. And if we double click on it, we can see that the cost of goods sold account, the income account, and the asset account are automatically assigned based on the QB item that was assigned in Sales Manager. The cost comes from the dealer inventory cost field over in Sales Manager, right here, and the selling price that we see over in QuickBooks will be overridden when the invoice for the buyer's order is sent to QuickBooks. And that's it. That's how we map the interface.